Hi. Recent times have been rather uncertain, but that always happens when the markets have run so hard. Well, a couple of days ago, South Africa claimed to have an improved inflation rate of 5.4% against the previous 5.7%. Let me tell you, it doesn't feel that low, let's be honest. Mines are again getting, workers are getting touchy to add to the mining's woes, so looks like corrections are due. Companies like Billiton and Anglo are correcting very nicely. So we'll be watching these for long trades, especially when the market settles. I mean, if you look at Billiton, this is Billiton, which is at a nice correction over here. The oscillators are starting to come down here, so when they get down to the bottom here, and those lines start to cross over here again at the bottom, we're going to be looking to get into this trade, because we all know that these mines are still very, very well priced, and I can't see that these will be bad trades at the end of the day. I mean, even if you're in the trade now, she's still going to come back up somewhere, but I'm hoping that a company like Billiton will come back down to the 275 mark. You know, that would be a nice 277, and that might get us into a nice trade. There does seem to be a bit of a support down here at the 270 level, so let's hope she comes back down there and we can get into that one. Anglo's had a lot of trouble with their employees. They're always having trouble with their employees, so I don't know, we'll have to see what's going to happen with these boys, but that one's also had a nice pullback, and we're expecting to be able to get into that trade as well. It's a very similar situation to Billiton. It's come back all the way down to here. This one's even further than Billiton, but we expect it's going to pull back quite a lot. We might even get down to the 250 mark on here, so that'll be nice. It'll be a really nice trade. Now let's have a look at the trades that we're holding. We're still holding Exxaria. And okay, let's just go have a look at Exxaria. Exxaria we're holding short. Okay. We're expecting a little more from her. It started correcting already. You can see it started correcting really nicely. But we're actually expecting Exxaria, when she announces her results on Friday, to give us a little bit more, and hopefully she'll come back down through. We're sitting at a loss at the moment, 173, because we're in around 170, so we'd like it to come back to about the 155 mark. That'll make us some money, but even if it goes down to the 160, that's great. But I expect this Oki to retract, because I don't think it's going to give a good financial result on Friday. Headline earnings per share are going to be down, so I think she'll have a little bit of a bounce down, and then we can take it from there and see where we stand. Our long trades, we're still holding our ShopRite. ShopRite's a great trade, as you know. Now, our long trade on ShopRite is holding steady, and we are still happy to hold this trade. It's not really going anywhere at the moment. We've got a similar situation with Steinhoff. Steinhoff has been taking a very long time to do anything, but we're also happy to hold that trade. And if you look at the big correction that ShopRite had over here, that's quite a large correction. She's just sort of been consolidating around this area. Everything's in the middle, sort of sitting flat. I expect this Oki will still have a nice pull up to around the 185 mark. We should still make a nice little tidy little profit. As with Steinhoff is also very, very much a similar situation. It's been sort of consolidating, sitting around the 27, 28 rand mark, not really going anywhere. But like I say, we're still happy to hold these trades, because these trades in the long run should make us a tidy profit. And if you look at Steinhoff, she's sitting at 27.50. Our target's 29 over here, our initial target, and our stop loss is at 26. And this Oki has just been sitting in this flat range for a really long time now, but it's still in profit. And if it goes up to 29 bucks, we'll take our profit and move on. It's fine. The profit's a profit, no matter what the profit. Well, you know, with the markets being so toppish for quite a while now, everyone being rather uncertain, I believe the market should give us a decent correction now, particularly on those mining areas. allowing us the opportunity to buy into some shares like Sasol, Bulletin, etc. So I'm hoping that I'm hoping that we'll get into something like this. I mean, the Sasol is also a very nice trade again. If you look at Sasol, I think we're going to get a nice trade on Sasol as well. So I'd say keep subscribed, so if we trade you can be notified immediately of any changes that we make, because otherwise you won't know unless you check our website every day. Because as you can see here, Sasol's coming down nicely into play as well. So between Sasol, Bulletin and Anglos, we're going to choose one or two of these. We're going to put them in our portfolio and we're going to watch them run up and make us a nice tidy profit again. But we're going to wait for the right opportunity to buy in. So you'll have to watch us closely and we'll let you know. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll be back with further updates as soon as they're ready. Cheers.